What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a case from Spigen. Spigen's a great company. Now this is for the Galaxy Z Fold4. Beautiful device, so some protection is needed. Now the case that I have from Spigen is a case that is called the Tough Armor, Spigen Tough Armor. Now Spigen's cases can be a little pricey, but they're really well made. Great design for the Z Fold4. Probably one of the best case manufacturers for the Z Fold series since the beginning of the Z Fold, since it's come out. From the first one to the second to the third, now to the fourth, and so on and so on. But this is an excellent case. Now, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. That's right, hit that notification bell so when you know when videos like this are coming. Now, this is a two-piece case. It has some hinge protection. And the thing I like about this one is the price. Now, it is a little more than most cases, but it's 50 bucks. You probably get on sale for 40. But man, I'm telling you, Spigen makes some really great cases. You get some stickers here on the inside of the cover screen so that it doesn't slide when you open it up with this. As you see, it has that hinge protection that Spigen has. Now, Spigen has some quality stuff, man. And they got some Spigen branding there. Sorry, right there. I mean, this is just looks really, really good. Really well made. This is very strong to protect your back of your device. These sides here, there's also some stickers here on the inside of the back cover. So we're gonna go ahead and slap in the Z Fold4 so you guys can see how it's done. Kind of just snap it in. This one kind of just slides over. I think this is probably one of the first cases for the Z Fold series, this Tough Armor one, because I do remember how this would slide over the Galaxy Folds back in the day. Now, as you close it here, you get some really good protection here on the cover screen, as you can see, and it's easy to access the fingerprint even with the thing. This one is really nice. Now, I did review this one here, which was the Slim Armor Pro. This one's a little more, 90 bucks, a little more bulky than this one. This one has a little bit more of a slimmer profile, so when you're holding it, it does give you that. This one I can rock. Some of the other ones, like from Spigen, UHG, they're just a tad bulky, but this one I do like. This one does have that slim profile, and as you can see here on the hinge protection, you get some, does peek out a little bit here on the end, so be careful with that, and on this end too. But definitely good protection here on the top of your device and on the bottom here with a charger. All the ports line up pretty good. And then on your back here, you get some good protection here with the camera. Not heavy either, very, very, I love this lip here on the cover screen because that has some good protection. But let's show you the profile of the screen here. You get some good protection there. Your openings here for your power button and your volume up and down are wide open. There's not like a cover for the volumes, but this one does feel pretty darn good there. But this is really, really nice. This is impressive case. Look at this. Wow. Very, very impressive. I like it. But that's gonna do it, man. That is the Spigen Tough Armor that you could pick up for, let's drum roll please. Yep. Yeah, 49 bucks. And you can get it by Thursday. Or Wednesday or Friday or Sunday. But yeah, this is definitely a winner. I do like this one a whole lot. This is definitely a winner. But that's gonna do it, man. Check out some of those other videos here on the channel at Android Stud on the Z Fold4. But that is the Spigen Tough Armor Case for the Z Fold4. I'm gonna get out of here. Peace, party people.